Greetings people, this is Zimbabwe Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to book an appointment with the Zimbabwe consulate in Eastgate in case you need to apply for a passport renewal or you need to apply for your child's birth certificate for those who have kids who were born in SA. Let me just say this, there's no need for you to go to Zim. All you need to do is to go and buy forms at the Zimbabwe consulate in Eastgate, and then you just fill in the stuff that's required, then they approve and you send them back home. Just make sure that whoever is going to submit them has the same surname as you.
Oh my God! Wow!
So this is the process. First of all, we're gonna open our browser, which is the Google Chrome, but any other browser can also work in case you don't have Google Chrome. And one other thing, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That will be much appreciated. Alright. Okay, so after opening the browser, we're gonna type book an appointment, Zimbabwe consulate. Right, and then click enter. So we're gonna choose that first option right there, which says appointment. Right, after clicking that, we click on book now. Alright, if you already have an account, all you need to do is just to punch in your email address and your password. But if you don't, you click on create new user account. After creating the new account, it will send you an activation link to your email. All you need to do is just to click on that and then you activate, then come back and log in, then we can proceed together. All right, so I've done that myself using this email address. All I need to do right now is click on log in. All right, you have to check on top where it says available. Just click there and then just hover your mouse on the available dates, depending on your situation and also depending on when you want to book an appointment. All right, you scroll down and then click on any of the green ribbons right there, or green rows. It shows you the number of appointments that have already booked for that particular date and time. So you click on new appointment, then fill in your full name and your phone number and your date of birth. Let me just emphasize this: if you are booking for someone else or your child, make sure that on the space which says full name, you type their name, not your name. Okay, after that we click on create appointment. All right, then we get this message: thank you for booking an appointment with us, we have sent you blah 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 blah, all this stuff. So all we gotta do next is to go and open our inbox. In this case I'm using Gmail, our Gmail inbox. Just log in. Then we click on next after putting our email address. Then we enter our password. Click next. Okay, there you have a message from the consulate saying that we have successfully created an appointment. Print out that message. You will take together with your passport or your child's passport to the embassy. So basically that's all to it. And also you shouldn't forget to go with the money for buying the forms. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Cheers.